Hello, I am Oshima. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn family words. So let's start. At family words. B-A-T bat, H-A-T hat, P-A-T bat, F-L-A-T flat, C-A-T cat, S-A-T sat, M-A-T mat, C-H-A-T chat, R-A-T rat, F-A-T fat, V-A-T vat, T-H-A-T dat. App family words. C-A-P cap, G-A-P gap, T-A-P tap, F-L-A-P flap, M-A-P map, N-A-P nap, C-L-A-P-P clap, T-R-A-P trap, L-A-P lap, R-A-P rap, S-L-A-P slap, S-N-A-P snap. And family words. B-A-N ban, P-A-N pan, M-A-N man, C-A-N can, R-A-N ran, S-P-A-N span, F-A-N fan, V-A-N van, P-L-A plan. O-T family words. C-O-T cot, G-O-T got, H-O-T hot, L-O-T lot, P-O-T pot, N-O-T not. E-T family words. N-A-T net, P-E-T pet, G-E-T get, W-E-T wet, S-E-T set, L-A-T let. And family words. J-A-M jam, P-A-M pam, R-A-M ram, S-A-M sam, H-A-M ham, B-A-M bam. O-P family words. H-O-P hop, T-O-P top, C-R-O-P crop, F-L-O flop, L-O-P lop, P-O-P pop, S-H-O-P shop, C-H-O-P chop, M-O-P mop, S-T-O-P stop, D-R-O-P drop, P-R-O-P prop. 8 family words. H-I-T hit, L-I-T lit, K-I-T kit, S-K-I-T skit, P-I-T pit, B-I-T bit, K-N-I-T knit, S-P-L-I-T split, S-I-T sit, F-I-T fit, S-P-I-T spit, Q-U-I-T quit. In family words. B-I-N bin, S-I-N sin, S-P-I-N spin, S-K-I-P S-K-I-N skin, F-I-N fin, W-I-N win, T-H-I-N hen, T-H-I-N tin, P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, T-W-I-N twin. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.